Bonjour, bonjour les amis, comment ça va? Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy et bienvenue. Welcome to French with Anana. Et voici Anana qui dit bonjour. Are you excited, Anana? Oui, oh oui, we have a good lesson planned for you today. We're going to learn how to make sentences and then put them into a mini book. Alors les amis, nous allons apprendre comment compléter des phrases et faire un petit livre. So this is livre 5.3, son O. Alors, on va tourner la page, turn the page. So we're going to have different sentence starters in this book for every page. Alors, je vois. Now, je, do you remember what je means, Anana? Oui, qu'est-ce que ça veut dire? Oh oui, je means I. So, je vois means I see. So, and for this page, we picked, our little friendly squirrel here, une écureuil. So, we're going to join je vois with une écureuil and make a sentence. So let's go to our next page. Je vois une écureuil. And there you have your sentence. Can you repeat after me? Je vois une écureuil, which means I see a squirrel. Wow, what a great start. Bravo les amis. Alors, prochaine page. Tu vois de la confiture. Now, do you remember what tu vois? What does that mean? Do you remember, Anana? Oui. It means you see. So, tu vois de la confiture. Bravo. Il voit une couverture. Do you remember what il voit means? Can you tell us? If you said he sees, you are correct. He sees. Il voit une couverture. Bravo. On continue. Elle voit une lumière. Do you remember what elle voit means? If you said she sees, you are correct. Elle voit une lumière. Bravo. Nous voyons un téléphone cellulaire. Oh. Nous voyons. Do you remember what that means? Nous voyons. Nous means us. We, like a group of people. Nous voyons un téléphone cellulaire. Bravo. Good job. Oh, wow. We've reached the end of our book. And when you reach the end, you can write la fin. La fin means the end of our book. Did you have a fun time? Oui, ça va, Nana? Oui. I hope you had lots of fun. Thank you so much for joining us. Merci beaucoup, les amis. We hope to see you next time. À la prochaine. À la prochaine.